What is whistleblower protection? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennix. At the end of our 2020 annual Bridge Alliance Summit, we decided what to do next year. And the choice was, let's focus on whistleblower protection and corporate governance. Some of you may know that in the United States, whistleblower protection is an old law. It was implemented in the late 1989 and has been enforced for quite some time. The European Union in the year 2019 implemented the law, which is different. It includes pretty much every company, and it gives you as a company the duty to organize your corporate governance in a way that you do have an internal reporting system. So the best way to survive this whistleblower protection situation is to have a checklist and to know what you're doing. The European Union implemented the law in 2019, but all member states are required by the end of 2021 to enforce this and to implement it into local law. Therefore, our 21 summit in Shanghai about whistleblower and corporate protection is just timely. In the meantime, if you have questions, post them down here or reach out to us. Have a great day.